Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys what I have in my hydroponic garden. My name is Iga. You can see me here. And I'm in Cape Verde. Cape Verde, if you don't know, is an archipelago of 10 islands in the middle of the Atlantic Oceans, about 500 miles from from Senegal, the African coast. Let me show you the plants that I have here and that I have been growing. At this corner we have some strawberries. Strawberries are not doing very well right now. It's been quite windy, and we have got some winds that come from the Sahara Desert. They come with a lot of dust and they kind of dry up the plants. So the plants are not looking very pretty. I got three plants here, strawberry plants. I got some lettuce. Some lettuce here. Lettuce is the oldest plant I've got. I've got some bok choy. I don't know really if it's bok choy or tatsoi, because I got the seeds on a package that had a lot of seeds, a lot of mixed seeds. So I just seeded them, and I've got some different plants here. So there I'm going to show you guys. I got some more lettuce, some Swiss chard, the red kind. I love this plant. It's very beautiful, and it's the first time that I'm growing it also. In Cape Verde, this is the first time I'm seeing, and the first time I'm growing these plants. Swiss chard and tatsoi, and also I got some mustard greens here. And here is the place where I grow my seeds. You can see these two are older. I got some, basically these are the same plants I got over there, but these are smaller. About a week or 15 days smaller. I don't really know. I've got some onions too, some green onions, but the green onions, they're just very slow to grow. For context, these two plants were planted in the same, were seeded in the same day. So the onions grows very slowly. Also, let's see what else we have. Some mustard greens. These are very beautiful too. And here we got a chard. Just a chard. It growing in a container. As you can see, it's full of water, and it's got quite good roots for the time that it has been here. Also, we have some lettuce, some younger lettuce I'm growing. Right now I don't remember the name of this plant in English, but it's quite recognizable, and people use it for pesto, I think. And we got some tricolors here. The tricolors are quite big. These are the oldest plants I have here, I think. Or maybe they are the same age as the lettuce, but I don't remember. So you can see it's growing in this bucket of water. And this method is called the Kratky Method of hydroponics. So the plants, when I first put the plants in the water, like you can see, there's lettuce. The bottom of the cup is in contact with the water, but as the plant grows, for instance, let me show you this chart. As the plant grows, the water level drops. When the water level drops, the roots keep going deeper and deeper to seek for water and nutrients, and some part of the roots are just standing in here in air, so they develop this oxygen breathing roots, as you can see, these finer roots, and you have the part that is wet. So above these roots it's where it's humid, but it's not wet, and the plant needs the oxygen to grow in the root zone. These other tricolor is quite huge too. And basically this is my garden, as you can see this. I'm using whatever container I can get, whatever can hold water, and I use this aluminum foil to make it dark inside, because you can get really, in Cape Verde you cannot get a lot of materials and a lot of instruments you need for hydroponics, or even nutrients, for the right nutrients for it. When I remember the name of this plant, I will make in English. In Portuguese I know. I will make a video about it. So again, let me see if I can show you some roots. Let me show you the roots of this. This particular plant, I'm using this milk can for the container, and I use the a yogurt cup for the net cup, which I made some holes in it. Let me show you again. As you can see, using some hot iron, you can do this. And for the growing media, I'm using sand, very coarse sand. You can see here. Okay, so basically this is it for today, guys. Have a nice day, and goodbye.